Good morning, students and families. I'm so happy to see you this morning, even though we're not together. I was so sad when they decided to cancel class, and I miss you guys very much. But if you made it this far, great job. You've gotten logged into Microsoft Teams, and that's where starting next week, I'll be putting assignments and lessons for you to go through. So the way that it will work next week is that when you log in, you will see assignments and you will see lessons to do, and those will be posted every day. So on Monday, I will be posting the lessons for Monday, on Tuesday, the lessons for Tuesday, and so forth. One of the ways that I take attendance is by you logging in every day and doing those assignments and lessons for that day. So make sure that you make some time during the day to do those things. Now, with that said, I want to assure you that I'm trying to make it as easy as possible. So you will not be spending all day doing those lessons unless you're just goofing around and not really focusing. Really, you should not be spending, for me, probably more than 3 hours on any day to get anything done. So, especially next week, we're going to start kind of slow so that we can ease into it and get used to the whole program. Along the way, I'll try to make it as easy as I can, but I'm also counting on you to use your problem-solving skills and your growth mindset. So it might be hard at times, but we know from class that we can do hard things. So I'm counting on you to give your best effort and to really be trying to figure things out yourself. The adults in your house are there to help you, but they shouldn't be doing the work for you, right? It's your job to be doing your work, okay? The other thing that I want to talk a little bit about is the fact that the work that I'm giving you is things that you should be capable of doing. And if you are at all worried about finishing off this year, about going on to 4th grade, I don't want you to be worried at all. There's no point in worrying. The fact of the matter is that even if I had seen you in class this week, we would have been spending most of our time reviewing what we've already learned for the FSA. And now the FSA is canceled, so we don't have to worry about that. So the fact of the matter is, you have learned most of what you need to know for 3rd grade. And we're going to spend our time reviewing the things that we've learned and practicing those skills, adding on some more skills so that you can be even more ready for 4th grade. And everybody is in the same boat you are. Everybody who's going into 4th grade next year also lost this time with their teacher in the classroom. So if 4th grade teachers see that there's something that they need to be focusing on, then they're going to do that next year. No big deal. So I know that you have put in the hard work, because if you think about it, if you've seen your MAP scores over the year go up, if you've seen your running record level improving, if you've seen your ISIP score every month in iStation getting better, you've been doing the work all along, and I'm really, really proud of you guys. I know that we can do this together, and soon we'll be able to come back into class and to share our stories and get back to our work. But until then, I'm giving you a big hug. I miss you guys, and I want you to do me one little favor. Go find the adults in your house and go give them a big hug and say thank you, because they've done a lot to get this ready for you, and they will be doing a lot to support you at home, whether you realize it or not. And I really appreciate them also. So should you. So have a great day. My next message will be coming soon. Until then, have fun.